I am a registered offender. I stuck my into a blender. Your mom is a transgender. I am a professional sender. You know that I be dominating. My are rotating. Ice on my wrist. I could go skating between suffocating. I have a huge I'm inside my sock. I walk around in Crocs while my harder than a rock. I cool, cause you know I'm cool. I jump inside my pool. I take a hit from my jewel. I don't actually smoke, but I make your broke. Once I give someone a stroke, my is hard like oak. You know I'm dropping fire. You can sing my songs in the choir. They call me Quagmire. No they don't, but at least it rhymes. Hey! Alright everyone, sing along for this next part. I hid inside your mom. Yeah! Hey! I know inside your mom. Woo! Alright, here we go.
It's your mom, Shama.
Winzip, I love you so much.
Hey, you know I love being a sadist. I eat for breakfast. Ice on my necklace. I had with my dentist. My fan base is getting bigger. You're a gold digger. I wear a Tommy Hilfiger while I pull on the trigger. Whoa, that was risky. My just turned 60. She knows my is sticky, but is squeaky like Mickey. My lines are hotter than the stars when I'm dropping these crazy bars. My has filled jars and stained so many cars. Ayy.